welcome back to the Shaylagh Show. It's your girl Shaylagh, and today we made pumpkin. If you want to see how we made these, keep on watching. Shaylagh Show. It's your girl Shaylagh, and today we're making my sister's pumpkin.
The Riley Show.
She's gonna make a cauldron. That's a witch's cauldron, and it's gonna have witch's feet. And a cat. So all you're gonna need for this is a pumpkin. We're using a white fake one. We painted it black earlier. We prepared most of the stuff. You'll need a cat. We got this from Walmart.
Yes.
Along with a crown and some earrings and a necklace for her costume. And we got this from Michael's.
And a princess.
And we're going to be using this for maybe some of the bubbles. We don't know yet. And then we got these green cotton balls. Came with a lot of different colors, but we sorted them out earlier. We got these green cotton balls for the bubbles at the DollarTree. And then we got these little eyeballs at the DollarTree too. And we got these at Michael's. We put out the stem things because we didn't need them. And then we took some newspapers and rolled them into a tube thing. And then we wrapped black ribbon around it and then we glued it.
With all of these.
And then you're going to need a hot glue gun and some hot glue sticks. So let's
start. And
that's going to be the top of the witch's cauldron.
Eyeballs.
So this will be the base of the cauldron. We're going to put some glue around the top of the pumpkin and then glue this down.
Oh, and I forgot to mention this. This is like for the bottom of it. It's the fire. Because the witch's cauldron. I will work. Go on these feet. So we got a purple one.
Let's do the insides first.
Oh, well, I'm going to show them what we got. We got an orange one and a purple one. I want to put that in. Okay. So we're just going to stuff it in.
No. I don't know the best way to do this, actually.
Just stuff it in. Wait, kind of little strips and then stuff all that in. Two.
This one goes to this. This one goes to this. This one goes to this. This one goes this. So we have to pick.
Oh, you're sitting on the string. Oh, that's why it's so skinny. And tomorrow is my birthday. She found out like tomorrow is my birthday. I will be turning 8 years old.
Off that one.
8.
Birthday stuff.
And I can't wait. I've been asking my mom and dad all day. Is it almost nighttime? Is it almost nighttime? So that means, because I really want it to be close to my birthday.
Push it back.
8 is the great one.
And hi
and
guys.
My teacher in class says whenever they say, stick your head in the hot oven when they're saying happy birthday. My teacher's always like,
I drink it.
Shaylagh, or the name.
That's it. Shaylagh, mommy. It's a writer video. It's a video. Mommy video.
And also,
Mommy. Mommy.
I can't wait for tomorrow.
I need a Oogie Boogie.
Some of which?
What? video, subscribe to my channel, give this video a big thumbs up, and I hope. And if you want to get a notification whenever there's a new video, hit the bell. Bye, guys.